We're going to talk about two ways that we lawyers can remove a 5-year HTO suspension from your driving record. And we can do this at any time. Hopefully you catch it before the 5 years even starts, but that's not mandatory. We can do this 3 years into an HTO suspension, 1 year, 1 month. Timing doesn't matter. There's a third way to remove your HTO that we're just not going to talk about today because we don't have time. It'd be too long and boring of a video. But here's the two ways that we're going to review. The first way is an attack through the Department of Motor Vehicles. In other words, we've got to get a copy of your driving record. We've got to review it with a fine-tooth comb. There are mistakes on people's driving records. I know it's shocking for me to allege that our government makes mistakes, but they do it all the time. And a layperson doesn't always just look at a driving record, much less know what's wrong with it, much less know what to tell DMV to fix it. That's one way that we can get rid of it. The second way we can get rid of a 5-year HTO suspension is to skip the DMV altogether, bypass them. We go straight to the judge. And we go straight to the judge on one of the underlying driving while licensed suspended charges. It takes 3 to get a HTO suspension. We'll take one of those. We'll find the one that the driver paid $184 and didn't know that the payment of that citation was going to lead to a 5-year suspension. Look, when you don't have notice as to the consequences of paying a ticket, we can appeal to the judge. And there's also a separate rule, Traffic Rule 6.360, between that traffic rule and the fact that the driver didn't know what the consequences were. We can get a judge to remove a conviction and remove an HTO.